Philadelphia's restaurant workers and their families will soon have access to free rapid testing for COVID-19. The initiative comes as a result of a new coalition formed to help save the city's restaurants from pandemic demise. Greg Argos has more on their efforts.
The restaurant industry in Philadelphia has simply taken a beating because of the pandemic. But now a new plan is in place that could potentially change the outlook for those working and patronizing restaurants in the new year.
We think this is a huge win for the Philadelphia restaurant industry.
Nicole Marquis is the owner of Hip City Veg and the founder of the Safe Philly Restaurants Coalition.
We band together to advocate for our employees and our industry during the pandemic.
Initially, months ago, she says she reached out to city officials to help get testing.
After begging and pleading and asking our elected officials.
And after not getting anywhere, Nicole and the coalition did the work themselves.
We have at Safe Philly Restaurants secured free weekly testing for every Philadelphia restaurant worker and their families here in Center City, Philadelphia.
The weekly unlimited testing begins January 7th here at the Goat Restaurant on Sansom Street.
We are going to be a free COVID-19 testing site for restaurant workers.
Fergus Carey is the owner of the Goat, which was only open for a few weeks before the pandemic struck.
We haven't really used this space because we opened in January and then then we closed down in March.
Initially, testing will be held twice a week. Nicole says it could be expanded daily based on need. It is completely free, no insurance necessary for anyone in the Philadelphia restaurant industry. And both Nicole and Fergus says it will bring peace of mind for both workers and those looking to hopefully dine in again sometime next year.
That gives a lot of comfort to the customer. It definitely will change the customer's perception about restaurants.
I hope that that reassures a lot of people, a lot of the guests.
In Philadelphia, Greg Argos, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Restaurant industry workers who are interested in learning more about the free testing can reach out to the Safe Philly Restaurant Coalition. We've posted contact information on our website, cbsphilly.com.